Most people think athletes win with muscle. Wrong. They win with the mind. You can have the fastest body in the world, but if your head betrays you, you've already lost. That's where sports psychologists come in. They are the secret weapon of Olympians, CEOs, and champions. And guess what? You could be one of them. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the channel where we expose the unexpected careers shaping the future of luxury, tech, and lifestyle. Subscribe now because today we're breaking into the world of the sports psychologist. Picture this. You're courtside at Madison Square Garden. The arena is packed, cameras flash, millions are watching. But the player you've been working with, an NBA All-Star, looks you dead in the eye, takes a deep breath, and nails the game-winning shot. That victory? It belongs to them. But the mental strength behind it? That's your fingerprint as their sports psychologist. The body wins medals, but the mind builds legends. Average people train their muscles. Extraordinary people master their psychology. Where do sports psychologists thrive? Think about living in Colorado Springs, where the U.S. Olympic and Paralympic Committee calls home. Or Los Angeles, with pro teams, endless nightlife, and culture. Imagine dining in Beverly Hills after working with an athlete headed to the World Cup. You're in the mix of global icons, luxury gyms, high-performance centers, and Michelin-starred restaurants. This isn't just a job, it's access to an entirely different level of lifestyle. Here's how to dominate this field. Step 1. Start with a bachelor's in psychology, sports psychology, or a related field. This is your foundation. Step 2. Level up with a doctoral degree, PhD or PsyD, if you want research and teaching power. PsyD, if you want to go all in on clinical practice with elite athletes. Step 3. Complete your 4,000 hours of supervised experience. This is where you sharpen your tools in the real world. From there, pass the examination for professional practice in psychology and lock in your state license. Then take it further. Earn board certification from the American Board of Sports Psychology. That's how you go from just another psychologist to the psychologist champions call when everything's on the line. Want to get noticed fast? Network at Association for Applied Sports Psychology conferences. Get internships with NCAA athletic programs or professional sports teams. Join APA Division 47, Society for Sport, Exercise, and Performance Psychology. These doors are guarded, but once you're inside, you're untouchable. So here's the brutal truth. You can sit on the sidelines, or you can step into the arena where athletes, billionaires, and world leaders sharpen their minds. Becoming a sports psychologist isn't easy. It's years of training, sacrifice, and grit. But in the end, you're not just shaping a career, you're shaping history. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about breaking into sports psychology. For more luxury jobs like this, check out the next video. Because the world won't wait for you. So why should you wait for it?